One of you just posted a question in the geometry parking lot about how to enter some of these calculations into your calculator. So I'm going to go through a quick example with you guys right now using the red calculator. What I have set up right now is a circle that has a radius of 2.5, and we're looking at this sector that has a central angle of 40 degrees, and we're calculating the area of it. So the area of this sector would be a fraction of the circle. What fraction is that? Well, it's 40 degrees out of the 360. And then we're going to multiply that by the area of the circle because we're taking that fraction of the area. So pi times the radius squared. If we reduce 40 out of 360, we get to 1/9. You don't have to reduce it to put it in your calculator, but if you prefer to do that, you can do that first. So I reduced 40 over 360 to 1/9, so we're taking 1/9 the area of the circle. Now how do we put that into our calculator? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my parentheses, okay? I hope you guys can see this okay. Let's see if I move this over. Hang on. Would help if I turned my calculator on, wouldn't it? Okay, so I'm going to type in parentheses 1 divided by 9. That way my calculator knows I'm taking 1/9 of something, and I'm taking 1/9 of pi. So I'm going to multiply that by pi, and then I'm going to multiply it again by the radius 2.5 squared. Okay, if in general, you don't always have to do this, but you can't go wrong in general if you just put each part in its own parentheses. And when I hit enter, then for a rounded answer, I get 2.18 units squared for the area of that sector. Okay, so keep the questions coming. You guys are doing an awesome job with this.